What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for another Howl-O-Scream construction update and to see if anything else is going on around the park. There's a lot to see and do. Let's go. Alright, so something else I wanted to show you, we show you from time to time, the self-service kiosk and what's available. And right now you can see $35 tickets to be used at Adventure Island, Busch Gardens, Tampa, or SeaWorld Orlando. And then we also have $10 Busch Bucks available until August 8th. On the next page we can see discounted one-day tickets, 50% off ones, and one-day ticket valid for Busch Gardens discounted there. Free guest ticket if used to one of the Florida parks. That's actually with the pass that comes with it. But that's pretty much it. And we can see the ticket window's not busy. It's about 8:30 though. We're doing a later in the day update. It's been really hot. Yep, like usual, no way to get through, and we are on our way. And over here at the pen trading wall, well, not saying anything new. I do want to see some new stuff come out soon though. Alright, so we're outside of Seafire Grill and there is a new sign as it says, "You're entering an indoor area. Face coverings are recommended for all guests but not required." And those new signs are literally at every single entrance, every one of them. Well, this is good to see. We have craft beer festival booths that are showing up, and it's going to be going on August 13th through September 12th, Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. Over 100 different brews are going to be there. Dance party! Well, we have showed it in other updates, and it's been open for a little bit, but Lakeside Grill here at SeaWorld is now in operation. All the pretty lights. And looks like that shirt that was up there last time, well, it got removed. Miko! It's running right now. Currently has a 15-minute wait, which is not bad at all. And I'm actually going to take a ride on it. I have not done that in quite a while. One other interesting thing to note, well, we don't have a sign out front saying the CDC, mask, all that stuff that we saw over at all the stores and restaurants, even though we're going indoors. And here we go. Underneath the station, and there's no queue. So yeah, it's going to be a short wait. And here we are, we're in the station. Other good news, the screen above right there has been fixed. It's good to see the screen again. And our chariot has arrived. And I haven't said that in a while. Alright, so just rode Mako, and good job to the crew because they were not stacking trains. Ride's still running great though. And inside the Mako gift shop, we have a coaster cutout right there of the car, and of course a pink chicken right next to it. Just in case if you're wondering, Elmo still rocks. Infinity Falls, and right now it's showing a 25-minute wait. Recently we saw it over 2 hours. Not thinking we're going to be able to see too much, but here at Waterway Grill, there is some sort of haunted attraction or bar that's going in. We have the construction walls that are over there, and inside, let's see, now we have a giant advertisement. There we go. So we can see SeaWorld Orlando, Howl-O-Scream, Orlando's newest Halloween event, September 10th through October 31st. It's great to see. Something else we need to bring up, Howl-O-Scream just announced a new maze, and that's going to be Captain's Revenge. We also have a scare zone called Sea of Souls, and then there's going to be a theme bar experience called Longshoreman's Tavern. No, I showed up too late. I'm 7 minutes late for the free beer. Sad day. Icebreaker, still sitting there with the sign out front saying anticipated opening 2021. Well, last time I checked the calendar, it's August. And over here at the Icebreaker gift shop, well, still nothing in terms of photo equipment, so that's not a good sign. And over here at the former Wild Arctic location, still have the sign showing Electric Ocean. And again, we are thinking a haunted attraction is going to be coming here. And we also suspect it might be that Beneath the Ice one the park announced. Fingers crossed. And this little beauty, my current favorite pen at SeaWorld. Now we're actually in the Wild Arctic area where you can see the animals. And looks like somebody from SeaWorld watches our videos, because now we have a curtain up right over here for work on the haunted maze. And we used to have barricades, not anymore, but you can hear them behind there working. Another beautiful view of Icebreaker. Anybody else thinking this could be a scare zone? Man, I hope so. It'd be a good one. It's almost time for Ignite. Let's get down to the stage.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, making it look amazing every single time. Give it up for the big Seafire Grill. Wow, gentlemen, I got said, level up, baby. Well, look, folks, right here, right now. I'm feeling electric in my mind. I'm feeling electric in space and time. I'm feeling electric.
love Ignite. I don't care what anybody says. That is the best show in Orlando right now. You already know it wouldn't be a Midway Mayhem update from SeaWorld without some pink chickens. Luckily, there's one right there. Well, guys, that's going to do it for another SeaWorld Orlando update for Howl-O-Scream. And yeah, we did check up on Icebreaker, but it's not doing anything. But something interesting to point out, earnings are up for SeaWorld. And there's a lot to go on discussion-wise with that. I'm not even going to break the surface on it. Of course, we do have Manta doing a very, very dark flyby. Howl-O-Scream stuff is showing up around the park. A lot more of it during this update. And of course, we're going to have plenty more updates. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.